Hello, and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's video, we'll talk about surprises, so let's get started. Can you describe a time when you were surprised to meet a friend? A good answer would be, certainly. There was an instance when I unexpectedly ran into a friend I hadn't seen in years. It happened during a casual visit to a local cafe. When did this happen? This happened about 2 months ago. Well, who was the friend you met? I crossed paths with my childhood friend, Alex. Where did this encounter take place? Our paths crossed at a local bookstore. What made this meeting surprising for you? The surprise came from the fact that I had no idea Alex was into. Okay, pretty brief on the questions today. Next up is our reading passage. Please read along with me. It's intended to give you more insight into the topic at hand. The allure of the night sky. While modern life often keeps us occupied with technology and routines, stargazing provides a chance to pause and contemplate the universe's grandeur. Looking up at the night sky can be a humbling experience. The vastness of space, the distant galaxies, and the intricate constellations create an awe-inspiring tapestry that has the power to transport observers into realms beyond their immediate surroundings. Stargazing can be as simple as lying on a blanket in the backyard, or an elaborate as visiting an observatory equipped with high-powered telescopes. Both approaches offer unique perspectives. The naked eye reveals familiar constellations, like the Big Dipper and the Orion, while a telescope reveals hidden wonders such as the distant planets and nebulae. While amateur astronomers can delve into the science of astronomy, even casual stargazers can appreciate the beauty of the night sky. Throughout the history, different cultures have assigned different meanings to the stars and constellations. Ancient civilizations used stars for navigation, calendar keeping, and mythological storytelling. The constellations named after mythological figures and animals often reflect cultural values and beliefs. Stargazing has thus contributed to the rich tapestry of human heritage. Stargazing offers a sense of escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. It encourages reflection and contemplation, promoting individuals to ponder their place in the universe and the mysteries that lie beyond. Stargazing at the stars can evoke a sense of wonder and curiosity, stimulating both scientific inquiry and philosophical introspection. As technology advances, digital apps and telescopes enhance the stargazing experience, making it accessible to a wider audience. In today's world, urban light pollution poses a challenge for stargazers, limiting the visibility of celestial objects. However, efforts to raise awareness about light pollution and create designated dark sky areas have been gaining momentum. Stargazing transcends generations and cultures, reminding us of the boundless universe we're part of, whether seeking solitude, inspiration, or a sense of connection to our cosmic origins. Stargazing provides a bridge beyond humanity and the cosmos. Amidst the challenges and distractions of modern life, taking a moment to gaze at the stars can remind us of the vastness of space and the mysteries that lie beyond our understanding. Okay, I hope you found that insightful. Next up is our range of vocabulary expressions. Take a look at some of these and see if you can take them all into your own English usage. Astronomy, celestial, constellations, nebula, observatory, telescope, universe, night sky, galaxy, light pollution, gazing at the stars, immersed in the beauty of the night sky, marveling at the celestial wonders, connecting with the universe, pondering the mysteries of the existence, transcending daily routines, evoke a sense of wonder, appreciating the grandeur of the cosmos, and stimulating philosophical introspection. Embracing the serenity of the night sky, a gateway to contemplation, communing with stars, transporting observers to distant realms, fostering a sense of connection, evoking a feeling of humility, mythological storytelling through constellations, bridging humanity and the universe. And lastly, we have our paraphrasing exercises. Have a go at bringing some of these into your own words at home. What do you enjoy about stargazing? You could say, what aspects of the observing in the night sky do you find appealing? How does stargazing inspire curiosity? In what ways does observing the stars spark a sense of wonder? Why is stargazing considered a relaxing activity? What makes stargazing a calming pursuit? With statements, stargazing allows us to connect with the universe. Engaging in stargazing provides an avenue to establish a connection with the cosmos. Observing constellations encourages us to reflect on our place in the universe. Contemplation of the constellations prompts us to ponder our position within the cosmos. And lastly, paraphrasing the scriptures, which are on your own form. As always, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.